light of some recent developments in the Central Park gorilla fiasco. There appear to be two men fighting back against the gorillas. They don't appear to be law enforcement or FBI. In fact, their unusual clothing indicates they may be members of a circus troupe here to help their fellow man.
Damn! Have they left already?
Wait, who are you?
They've taken cover in that playground over there. It's time to end this tyranny once and for all. Huzzah! No, Bucky. It's hoo-ah. Hoo-ah. Huzzah! Never mind.
And this one too. I just love this one.
Listen, there's something I must tell you. Now, this information was meant only for the Time Boys, but I'm afraid the circumstances are dire. Now, you must find Bucky and Johnny, and take them to the Newport Beach Pier. There they will find a Dr. Solomon Crankshaft. If you do not do this, I fear it may be too late.
Ha!